6 months in, and here is the truth.
I want the truth!
I've made 16 books in total and spent hundreds of dollars on ads. And I'm definitely still in the negative. But am I gonna give up? Absolutely not.
Never gonna give you up!
Let's talk about the real numbers, the lessons I've learned in this journey to financial freedom.
I'm free! I've been free!
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Daniel Does here.
Hello.
In today's video is just a progress update on my journey here with Amazon KDP after just 6 months of creating and selling books. In total, I've created 16 books, including a free monthly mailer for my subscribers. If you guys are not signed up yet, please go to DanielDoes.Shop. Sign up with your email. Every month I'll be sending out free activity books, combination with children's activity books, adults activity books, for you or for your kids. So please remember, go to DanielDoes.Shop and be sure to sign up today. And with all my books I have created, I've poured so much time, creativity, and energy into every single one of my books. And honestly, I've been having such a great time doing it. I love creating books, especially the children's books. I really do enjoy creating those the most. But with all that being said, let's jump right into the numbers. Let's crunch right in and see how much I have made in total, how many books I've sold, what have I done with ads. So if you guys are new to this as well, this is a realistic, honest viewpoint of what you could actually make in 6 months starting out with Amazon KDP. So far, I have spent $271.80 on Amazon ads and $125.72 on Facebook and Instagram ads, which is a grand total of...
Wait for it.
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 Wait for it. Wait for it. Keep waiting.
Wait for it.
$397.52. In terms of sales here, I make about $1 to $2 profit on each book I sell, and I've sold about 73 books in total. And for my estimated royalties, that's going to equal up to $137.04. So yes, I'm currently definitely in the negative, and that is the honest truth about that. This isn't some overnight success story at all.
Show me the money!
So if you're expecting that, you're going to be severely disappointed. So let's just jump right into my Amazon KDP here. And if we go in to my estimated royalties, I have made, as you can see, my lifetime since I've started on January 25th, 2025, I have made $137.04. And my most popular book here is going to be my United States word search book. And this one has made me a total of $52.49. And if we go into the orders here, you can see 73 books. Kind of sold a lot in February, then it's kind of slowly going down. Because in the beginning, I did start pumping out as many books as I could. And as we get into June, I was starting getting more in a groove, being more consistent and all that stuff. But if we go down here, United States word search, 23 books. My Little Learners word search, 14 books. My Seasons 1, 11, and My Little Learners 5, and so on and so on. And this is lifetime, so yeah, started at 125 all the way to 622. If we go to our Amazon ads campaign, this is where the majority of my books sell. This is how I get my books out there. People see my books. And in total, I've sold 45 books, which is a total of $397 in sales, but that is inaccurate because I only get $1 to $2, somewhere in between there, per book. That is the total sales on my book, not my actual revenue there. And in total, I've spent $281.48 in Amazon ads. And if we go into Facebook here, I did run 2 ads to test out, see if I sold any books through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, see if I could get my name out there, see if anyone would buy. And I did make a video about this, so if you guys want the full in-depth video about how my ads went on Facebook and Instagram, you can watch that to get more of a deep dive. But I'll do a little short summary here for you guys. I did get a lot of clicks, a lot of views on the videos I posted. That didn't really lead to any sales at all. So if you guys want to know the exact number of how many books I sold on Facebook, you can watch that video on my channel right now. It is up. So one thing I have learned with Amazon ads here, I did make a video about how I sold my books on Amazon ads, and I have learned a lot ever since that video. When I first started creating Amazon ads with my books and all that stuff, I was spending about 75 cents per bid to $1. Amazon suggested I start at 75 cents, and boy, was I wrong. Do not do that. That did give me a lot of impressions. It definitely worked, but I didn't get a lot of sales out of that, and it cost me a lot of money. People left comments in the comment section telling me that is way too expensive. I shouldn't be doing that. So I adjusted all my campaigns, and we are doing between 25 cents to 35 cents per bid. And as you can see on my CPC here on the top right, that I am down to 0.71 cents. When I first started, this was $1.20. I was spending cost per click, and that is way too expensive. It's slowly been going down. It's starting to average out, and with this cost per click, it's definitely way more sustainable. But as you can see, I got 397 clicks since I've started. This is all from the start, from the lifetime. So, and as you can see, I spent $281.48, and as my impressions go on, it's 390,718 impressions. And I'm also testing something else with Amazon ads. Instead of having an individual campaign just for one book, I have a brand campaign now where I add a bunch of my books into the brand, and I'm seeing how that does. I'm testing that out. If it does good, I might make a video about it. But as you can see, I have 2 sales from that right now. I spent $23 and I've gotten $17.98 in sales. So, and viewable impressions from that is, since I've started that, is 27,754 impressions for that. And I started that the end of May there. So I'm just testing that out and see what happens. And if anything good comes out of that, I'll definitely make a video on how to create a brand campaign through Amazon ads. So what is next? I've learned a lot through making books through Amazon, through the publishing, through the marketing, through the designing, through the creating. And I'm going to still be making books. I'm going to still be doing that. I'm going to be doing it through my live streams, all that stuff whenever I have time. Because honestly, I really do love making these books. I find enjoyment out of them. So I'm going to keep on doing it. Even if we are going a little bit negative, I know it will definitely work out in the long run. I just gotta keep on doing it, keep on staying consistent. But I want to start exploring other ways to start making money online, or side gigs, or anything like that in general. Just trying to make some quick cash. Because if you're like me, you hate working a 9-to-5, you hate working for somebody else, and I'm just trying to find ways to get out of that so I could just be self-reliant, self-sufficient, not rely on anybody else. So if you're following me, following my journey, you too will know the struggles, how to do it. I'm gonna try to find out the hard way, then teach you guys, do this, do that, and hopefully you guys could be successful and not spend money or time or energy on something that's just not gonna work. But I have some ideas that I want to start doing. Maybe some t-shirt designs, something like that. Any side gigs like DoorDash, Amazon Flex, delivering packages, or Uber, anything like that. I want to test out, see how much money I could truly make doing stuff like that. Or any online business models I could try out. Anything that doesn't require me working for somebody else. So if you guys know any legit ways to make money online, or any side gigs that I could try out, please let me know in the comments down below. I could definitely try them out, make a video of it, and let you guys know how that went. And if they definitely do good, I'll definitely do more content towards that and see how much I could realistically make through that outlet. So let's figure this out together. So if you guys like the video today, or if you guys like the journey I'm going through, trying to make money, trying to be self-reliant here, trying to be my own boss, please smash that like button. Please remember, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.